Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading. This is the session for Tuesday's market a couple days ago. I'm just going to show you what took place. This was the night trading from the last video that I had done. Turning point there in the middle of the night. Just as the market opened right here, this was 6:30, to get actually a nice continuation trade right in here, and a turning point initially right here. There's a secondary trade coming in right here. There's the primary, and after that there's some movement there, back down the middle of the range. You do get this right here is a small move to the downside, followed by a reversal on the up, continuation on the upside. Very timely right in here. This was one trade that I had made yesterday, only one. I was traveling in the Bay Area. Entry was right here. Somehow it put that over in no man's land there. You can see it's got my fill here in the middle of the air. It was right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Filled at the high tick right there for 1.3 contracts, and that was the only trade there. Turning point right up in here. Secondary trade going on right there. Add-on trade here. This was somewhat of a head fake. I actually wasn't watching the market, but looking back at it here, I think I would have seen this area coming, especially when you look at the Dow Jones. That's why I usually look at the Dow. Sometimes it can help give you some clues on where the market's headed to. In that case, the cash Dow actually did do a good job in identifying that, and so could have skipped this trade, but nonetheless that could have been a break even or minus a tick. But that was a good entry short. As you can see, the market sold off there pretty nicely. There's a continuation trade short right there, and the initial turning point there maybe a little risky. This secondary one right here probably a lot safer. And then there's actually another move in here. Only does come a few ticks against you, and that was pretty much the end of the day. Going into today's session, the market did gap higher, so this was all the night trading, and this was probably the first trade. No, actually that wasn't the first trade. The first trade was up here, looked like, well, short right here at the open. That was right up in here. There's a secondary trade and signal right here. And these are all, this is just backed up by the method. I'm just kind of showing you some of these raw points here. Here's an initial turn here, but secondary trade right in here would have been a little bit safer. Although an entry right in here would have been 3 ticks against you, so still would have been fine with a 4 or 5 tick stop. There's a couple of add-on trades here and here. Trade 2 target up here. 2 trades I took just before the slow period of the day. Plus 2 ticks, minus 2 ticks. Took a break in there, slow period of the day, going into the afternoon session right in here. This was an okay turn right there, but this should have had some follow through. This was minus 2 ticks on a re-entry. Got out on the market right there before. Had probably, I think I had a 4 tick stop up here, so market exited just in time there. This here got out here for minus a tick. This was the sad part here. Had the whole idea right. I was looking for a move down to this area and took 1 tick loss, but it's too bad because I really did see that and just kind of got spooked out of the market there. But a little bit choppy in here, so it's too bad. That's when I started to really start to trade. The early morning trades had some pretty good moves to them, but the afternoon was pretty weak. This move here was good, but again, don't want to cry over spilt milk. That's the way it goes. There was a nice reversal right here towards the end of the day, but I took a trade in the NASDAQ market. I don't like taking three losses in a row, even if they're small. So let me just show you that. Okay, this is a trade I took just as an alternate from the S&P, just a small trade, 2-3 points here towards the end of the day. So that's it.